Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Synqe Type-C fast charging cable. On the front of the box, we have a generic image of a cable along with the slogan saying Sync with Power. We also have the brand's website on the bottom right and the brand's logo on the top left. The website has been repeated on the left hand side and on the right hand side of the package. Up top, we have a sticker that has some of the manufacturing information along with the customer care details as well. On the bottom, we simply have a thank you from the brand saying thanks for choosing Synqe. On the back of the box, we have a QR code that can be scanned to register for the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. And on the top left, we have a Make in India symbol. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we have some literature which basically shows how Synqe manufactures these cables without the use of plastics, and it also has the customer care details along with the social media handles of the brand. On the back, it says that this product is proudly made in India and is environmentally friendly. Coming to the cable itself, we can see that it has a silver and black color theme going for it. Most of the cable has a silver color theme and some bits around the jackets of the interfaces are finished in black. This is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. That means that both ends have a USB Type-C interface. On the interfaces, we have the Synqe branding as well. The total length of this cable is approximately 40 inches long and it has this Velcro strap over here to help with cable management. To get started with using this cable, all we need is a compatible device and we also need a compatible power adapter. Here we have a power adapter that has a USB Type-C female interface, and now we can charge any other device that supports USB Type-C. So this was the unboxing of the Synqe Type-C fast charging cable. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.